Here's how to remove a device from your Google account to keep your account secure. First, open any browser on your iPhone, Android, or computer and go to myaccount.google.com. If you're already signed in, you'll see your Google account dashboard. If not, sign in with the account you want to manage. On the left side of the screen or on mobile across the top, tap Security. Now scroll down until you find the section called Your Devices. Tap Manage All Devices. Here you'll see every device that has recently signed in with your Google account: phones, tablets, laptops, Chromebooks, smart TVs, and more. Choose the device you want to remove and tap on it. You'll see details like the model, location, and the last time it was active. Tap Sign Out or Remove, depending on the device. Google will ask you to confirm. Tap Sign Out again. This will disconnect that device from your Google account and stop future access. If you removed a device because it wasn't yours or it looked suspicious, go back to the security menu and choose Password to change your password immediately. And that's it. You've successfully removed a device from your Google account. This helps keep your account safe and secure.